Alright, so I got this U.S. military truck RC from bangbros.com. I already opened it. I'll show you what it looks like. But this is the U.S. military truck.
We have this.
My son's super excited, as you can tell. So.
And we have this at the back.
Yeah, hold on, Ty.
Show me the match.
Huge range of suspension. Strong cast performance.
That one.
Oh, my daughter, she wants to show you the wheels and where the battery tray is. There's the two colors. You like it?
I like it.
So the box was a little beat up when it came in, but it's fine. Then it comes in this. It's right there. Now it comes with a little manual. U.S. military truck, 1/16, 4x4. So it comes in this box, and it has 2 extra leaf springs. The charger for the battery, USB.
Let's show them where the battery is.
Oh yeah, we'll show everyone. I think.
So the battery's in here.
So he wants to show you the battery. Say hi, Ty.
Hello.
So that's where the battery goes. Ty, careful, okay?
You can take it out.
So yeah, it's got little
What?
plugs.
Dad, can we show them how we drive it?
Yeah, we'll show. Alright, so little leaf springs, as you can tell. Tires are not sticky, but they're hard rubber. Harder. So on and off switch is right there. And then the lights come on and they blink until you actually turn on the receiver.
Oh yeah.
Oh. He already started pushing go. But I just wanted to show this. Here, show him turn. Turn it one way. It makes little noises, but it's a good little RC truck. Oh. Here, hold on. Not yet. Okay, now go. A little bit. Just a little. Okay.
That's
a cool little.
Too.
What is that?
It's the motor that helps the wheels.
It's a drive shaft. Alright, I just wanted to. Also, my son wants to drive it and show you. Alright, bud. Go ahead. The dogs love it. Riley. Sorry for a dirty house. Ty, bring it over here, please. It's around Christmas time, 2017.
Oops. Got stuck.
There we go. I'll have more videos of Ty playing with it. My son outside in the backyard with all the rocks, and he'll probably load it back up with rocks. So he's excited for it. Hey. Hey, say bye.